Imagine earning money while you sleep. No office, no boss, and no 9 to 5. In this video, I'll show you 5 passive income streams. You can start from anywhere in the world, even if you're starting with little or no money. These are real, proven ideas that are working in 2025. Not outdated make money online myths. Let's get started. The first stream is digital products. Things like Notion templates, ebooks, or online guides. You create it once, upload it to platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip, and earn every time someone downloads it. It's one of the most scalable ways to earn passive income, especially if you use AI tools like ChatGPT or Canva to create the products faster. Even a single product that sells for $10 can make hundreds of dollars a month with the right keywords. Second, dividend investing. This is where your money works for you. By buying dividend-paying stocks or ETFs, you earn a small payout every quarter just for holding them. Apps like Robinhood, Webull, or M1 Finance make this simple. Start small, even $50 a month can grow into serious income over time thanks to compound interest. Third is affiliate marketing, promoting tools, apps, or products you already use. Every time someone signs up through your link, you earn a commission. Finance apps like Capitalist, Webull, or Revolut often pay $10–50 per sign-up. The best part? You don't need a huge audience, just helpful content that solves a problem. Quick pause! If you're learning something new so far, hit that like button. It really helps. This video reach more people who want to build financial freedom, just like you. Fourth is YouTube automation, exactly what this channel is built on. You can create faceless educational videos using AI tools for voiceovers, stock footage, and simple scripts. Channels like this make thousands of dollars monthly through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. If you can commit just a few hours a week, this can become your biggest digital asset. And fifth, email newsletters. Tools like Beehive or Substack make it simple to write weekly money tips or investing insights and get paid through ads, sponsors, or premium subscriptions. Think of it as owning your own media brand. No algorithm, no middleman. This is how creators turn content into consistent monthly income. The secret to passive income isn't luck, it's systems. Pick one stream, stay consistent, and reinvest what you earn. If you want to build financial freedom from anywhere, hit subscribe and join the Nomad Finance, where we teach you how to make your money work for you, wherever you are.